Programming a transponder key for a 2011-2016 Chevy Cruze involves synchronizing a new key's RFID chip with the car's immobilizer system. The key contains an RFID tag, typically operating at 125 or 134 kilohertz, which broadcasts a unique identification code to the car's computer when you insert the key. This ID must match the vehicle's stored list of authorized keys. These Cruze models use GM's Passkey 3 immobilizer system, which requires a specific learn procedure to properly pair the transponder key with the vehicle. You'll need a compatible transponder key and an OBD2 scanner that specifically supports key programming functionality. Ensure you have at least one working key to begin the process, as incorrect programming attempts can temporarily or permanently lock the vehicle's immobilizer system. DIY programming methods can be unreliable and often require specific diagnostic tools like Autel or Launch X431 scanners, which have received recent software updates to support newer vehicle protocols. To program a new key, start with Step 1. Insert the working key and turn the ignition to on for a few seconds. Then turn it off and remove it. This prepares the system for programming. Step 2. Insert the new unprogrammed key and try to start the car. If the security light flashes, the car didn't recognize the key, indicating programming is needed. Step 3. Using your OBD2 scanner, connect to the car's diagnostic port. Follow the scanner's instructions for key programming, which usually involves entering a security code or PIN and cycling the ignition. Be cautious, as unauthorized attempts can trigger anti-theft measures. Success rates vary, with many users reporting issues due to incompatible key chips or firmware mismatches. If DIY fails, a locksmith or dealership is recommended, as they have professional tools and expertise. Remember, rising dealership costs, $200 to $400, are spurring DIY adoption, but cybersecurity risks make professional services a safer option.